Hello, and welcome to Schoology Basics. This is video 4.1, Schoology Tips and Tricks. In this video, we're going to learn about shortcuts that will make your Schoology experience easier through a phone or tablet. So there's two different ways that you can use Schoology, as we've discussed before. You can use it through your web browser or through the Schoology app. So we're going to show you a couple of tips and tricks just to make it easier to find things in Schoology when you are using it. So first, we're going to try the web browser version. We're going to pull it up. I'm going to click on the class that I want to check out. Okay, so in the class, you have several different items. You have some folders the teacher has posted. A lot of times when you're trying to find things in Schoology, you'll see a folder within a folder within a folder, and it makes it more difficult to find different things if you're just trying to hunt something down quickly. So one of the nicest features is where it says all materials, and we went over this in the computer version of this video, but it works basically the same way on the web browser version on your phone or tablet. So you click all materials, and then you can go in and you can find basically whatever you want to look up. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for you to see because it was tiny before. All right, so let's say I want to find just the assignment so I can check and make sure that I've completed all my assignments for this teacher. And it filters those out and I can see just the assignments that that teacher has posted in the class. Or let's say I want to look up tests and quizzes. And I can check out those and make sure I've completed all of those. Or let's say I want to look up files. If I've saved any files, they're going to be there. Or links, discussions. I can check and make sure I participated. And like here, it even says one post. I know that I've already participated in that discussion. Basically, things that you can click on is just going to depend on what your teacher has included in your class. If your teacher doesn't have external tools or some of these other things, you can click on it to filter through, but you're not going to find any material for that teacher. So you just want to look up things that maybe your teacher has included in your class. But this is a really nice shortcut. It's really great for finding different things in your class. So other different shortcuts. Let's say you want to get back to the main page of the class. Instead of clicking that back arrow, if you click on just the name of the class, it'll take you right back there. Or let's say you want to get back to your main page that has the list of your classes. If you click where it says the name of your school, it'll take you right back there. So those are some really nice tips and tricks to navigate your Schoology a little bit better. Also, if you want to send a notification to just your teacher for the class that you are looking at, you want to make sure you are in that class. So this student would be in the class. And let's say they click that button that says notifications. They can contact that teacher directly for that class. They don't have to type in the teacher's name to send a message, like if you were trying to send a message by clicking on that envelope. So this is just a little bit easier to directly send a message to your teacher when you're in that class. Now we're going to take a look at the app in Schoology. And you can use your filter basically the same way. Now your filter here, if you look at the top of your screen, you're going to see three very light gray lines. And it looks kind of like that hamburger menu that we looked at earlier, except they have little dots on each line. That's your filter button, and it's very light, and it's kind of hard to see. So, I mean, yes, it has the word filter, but you have to actually click on those three lines to use it. So I'm going to tap on that. And this particular class has not as many items to click on as the other class that we just looked at because they just haven't included as many things. So let's say we want to find assignments. We tap on that and it filters just the assignments. Let's say we want to look at online tests or quizzes. There it is. Or let's say we want to find discussions. There's a whole bunch. Or let's say we want to find pages. We've got a bunch there. Links. There's a link. And then external tools. and there's a bunch there. So it's really handy, or you can click all materials and that's going to give you everything on one page. So this is very similar to the version that we just looked at on the web browser version, only it's slightly different. It's just going to look a little bit different on the app. And that is some great shortcuts that you can use when you are looking at your Schoology page using that filter button.